What's really good, people? Welcome back to his back. I mean, you know the vibes. You see what's going on over here. You know what time it is. Alright, Axtuo clocking in. I don't have a car. I mean, I'm gonna work on a car, but this video probably you're gonna like it because you want to know which one is better. This one right here, or this one right here. As soon as you saw this, as soon as you see this, you like, oh, okay, I know what this video is gonna be about. But when you saw this, you were like, what the fuck is going on? You know what I'm saying? So you tell me, have you tried this before? Probably you tried this before. But I don't know about this. Have you tried this before? Not like that though. Stop playing with me, alright? So before I jump into action, you know what I'm saying? You know what I want to say? I want to say it again. Smash the subscribe button, do that, like this video, share the video and the feedback, put it in the comment box. You know what time it is. You see the vibes. You know what I'm saying? Anything you want to say, put it in the comment box, alright? Which one you like the most, which one you think you're gonna like the most, or at the end of the video you can tell, you can put in the comment box which one you prefer. You know what I'm saying? That's it. You see what I'm doing right here? It is. So shout outs to everybody. Shout outs to the whole clan, gang, the whole planet. You know what I'm saying? Russia, Ukraine, Japan, Spain, UK. I'm rapping right now. Italy, Peru, Brazil, Colombia, all that. You know what I'm saying? Argentina, Venezuela, the States, Mexico, Canada, all that. You know what I'm saying? Mars, the moon, Venus, all that. You know what I'm saying? I know there's people over there, so stop playing with me, right? So we're gonna do this, all right? Let me know which one you like the most. Alright, let's get us to it. Alright, first, we're gonna find the nail, right? Let's find the nail. It doesn't matter what type of car it is, alright? You know, a tire is a tire, and you need to plug it. Okay, I'm looking for the nail. Have you seen the nail? Let me know when, alright? Right there, stop right there, no? Right there, no? Okay, we found it, it's right here. You see it's bubbling and all that. So see, this is what I'm gonna do though. Okay, we found the nail, right? And we'll see how long it takes to do it with this, okay? And how long it takes to do it with this, alright? For that, I'm gonna tell you this, okay? I'm gonna break down what you gotta do with the gun, okay? And then, because with the other one, because with the gun, it's a little bit like complex, you know what I'm saying? But with the other tool, it is more straightforward, you know what I'm saying? So, table right here. All right, in this bag, comes this gun. This thing is supposed to go, let me just throw it over here. That's what comes in the tire, okay? This to clear the hole. This is supposed to go, once you clean the hole, you pull out the nail, clean the hole. You put this one, it's like a, I don't know, punzon, dagger, whatever you want to call it. You push it all the way in until here. Turn it counterclockwise. This thing is supposed to be inside the tire all the way until here. Okay. Then what you do next, this thing is gonna be in the tire. Okay. Next, you're gonna grab one of these plugs. They're louvy, okay? They're shiny. They have like a like grease or something. It comes back with it and a blade, okay? As you can see, you put it here. With this, you press it all the way down, all right? So this thing is gonna be inside the tire, right? Then you're gonna put it like this. Obviously you're gonna turn this because it's gonna be a little bit difficult to turn this because it's gonna be in the tire, right? So the rubber, the tire is gonna kind of like go against your, you know what I'm saying? So once you connect it, you start pumping. And this thing is gonna start pushing it in. You know what I'm saying? And you do it kind of slow though. I mean, with a certain pace. And you start pumping it out. You see that? You see the tip? And you're gonna hear a click when it's all the way in. Alright? A click here. Okay? That's a click. That means that this thing went through, the plug went through the tube and it's inside the tire. Okay? Now there, you just pull the gun, and this thing is supposed to remain in the tire. That's how this thing works. Okay? Now you know how this thing works. This one, the other method, is just you grab the plug from here, grab it, put it through here, clean that hole in the tire, pull out the nail, clean the hole. I use this, okay? It's faster than doing this, okay? So this is it with this. Now once you clean the hole, push it all the way in and then pull it. The rubber, the plug is gonna stay there like this. These two ends gonna remain outside, then you cut it off. Alright. Now we're gonna set this thing here. If you wanna push it back, just press this. Okay. I'm gonna grab another plug. Okay. Because the previous one is a little bit dry. So I'm gonna put it here. Put it there. And I'm gonna leave it like that, okay? Because I gotta do what I just told you before. Okay, that goes like that. Alright. Now we're gonna remove the nail. And I'm gonna use this. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna remove the nail now. Clean that hole. And put the tool. Okay. We'll remove the nail. It's about to come out. I want to give you a better angle now. 1 second. I guess that's better. Okay. Now I'm going to remove this. I'm going to use this tool. Now I just clean the hole. I'm going to put this guy in. Push it all the way in. Remove this. I'm going to put the gun in. Okay? That's the part that I don't like though. Okay. Now that is all the way in, we start pumping this. Let me give you a better. Okay, start pumping in there. Okay, there's no more sound. Okay, there's a click. There's another click. It takes some effort though. Okay, I guess that's it. Pull it out. There you go. See it? Now let's see if there's a leak. I'm gonna spray it. If there's any bubble. I don't see no bubble. You don't see no bubble, right? I don't see no bubble. So what I'm gonna do now is cut it. This is what we found. Now we just got this. That's pretty much it. Alright. Now it probably took like 3 minutes, 4 minutes, maybe a minute and a half. But this guy right here is straightforward. You just push it in. I'm saying turn it, pull it out. This one, you saw all you gotta do. Now, all I gotta do is put air back to the tire and call it for the day. That's all you gotta do with this one. So, let me know what you think. If it's the classic, let's see, I'm gonna put some air now and see if it leaks. $28, $30, $32. I'll put 37, 36. 37 and a half. No leaks. It kind of look like, this one kind of look more sturdy than the classic one, this one. But this one is another level. It might take you a hot minute though, but you see the difference. You see what's up. So let me know which one you like the most. This one or this one. Alright. You know how to use this one. And I just explained you how to use it too. It's simple, just clean the hole, this in, out, trim, cut off the ends. And this, you see it in action, so let me know which one you like the most, all right? And that's it for now. You know where to find me. I'm clocking now. Axtuo, Baidu. Hey, support the channel, all right? You see the heart right below? Click on the heart, it says stints. Go through that. I'm saying that's what's up. Support the channel, support my works, support the community, you know what I'm saying? And like, share, and comment, all right? Let me know how you feel about this, okay? Shout outs to everybody, fans, subscribers, viewers, the whole planet, gang, clan, all right? Brazil, Colombia, Peru, Chile, Argentina, Japan, China, Italy, Germany, Greenland, Austria, Australia, Croatia, Philippines, Thailand, all that. If I don't mention your country, don't feel like that, all right? I got you right here, cool, all right? So I'm clocking out, dog. You know where to find me. Axtuo, Baidu. All right, see ya. Holla.